Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Black Crew Cab in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED automatic reflector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, LED bed lighting, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5704.